Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and do more examples on the for loop. So if you have any questions and queries, all your queries will get addressed in upcoming tutorials on for loop. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and display number 1 through 10 um, on my debug statements. So one of the option guys will be saying system.debug and you can say 1 and then you can go up here, copy this line 10 times and then change it to something like this, right? So you're going to go ahead and replace it with 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. So you can go ahead and print 1 to 10 like this, but as you can see this is not a good idea, right? If I say go ahead and print 1 to 100, then this is not a good idea. You're going to write 100 debug statements, so you're doing the same thing and again and again. So here also the things that you can help with is the for loop. In the for loop, if you create a for loop, you do not have to write 10 lines of code. You can do with this simple for loop and you will be able to print your numbers 1 through 10 like this. So let's go ahead and start with how we're going to do this through the for loop. So I'm going to say for, then I'm going to have an initialization statement. So I wanted to print my numbers from 1 to 10, right? So I will initialize my variable with 1 and then it will get incremented plus 1 every time. So let's go ahead and do initialization pass. So my variable is of type integer. I is equals to 0. Sorry, I is equals to 1 because I am initializing it with 1. And then I less than equals to 10 because I have to print from 1 to 10 and I have to include 10 also in the calculation. So 1 through 10 I wanted to print, and what will be the every time the loop iterates, the value of I will get incremented by 1. So now what I'll do, I'll say system.debug and I'll print the value of I here. That's simple. So now what will happen is first time the value of I is 1, then I is less than equals to 10. So initialization part only runs once and it will not go ahead and run every time the loop iterates. It only runs once. So this part has been done. Now the condition part and increment and decrement part is left. So the condition says I less than equals to 10. What is the value of I? 1. Is 1 less than equals to 10? Yes, 1 is less than 10. So now what will happen is the condition holds true. It will go ahead and print the value of I. So what will be the value of I? The value of I is 1. Then this increment part will run. Now what will be the new value? Increment part says I is equals to I plus 1. So I is equals to I plus 1. So now in this case, what was the initial value? 1. 1 plus 1, it became 2. So the new value of I is 2. So the new value of I is 2 here. So the new value of I is 2 here. So now what will happen? It is going to go ahead and print the I becomes 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 10. Yes, the condition still remains good. So then the system.debug, it will go ahead and come inside the loop and it will print the value of I. What is the value of I? 2. So it is going to go ahead and print the value of I. Then I is equals to I plus 1. So then the increment part will call again. Increment and the condition part will run each time the loop iterates till the point the condition becomes false. So now I is equals to I plus 1. So what is the old value of I? 2. 2 plus 1. What is the new value? New value becomes 3. Again, the condition will be checked. Is 3 less than equals to 10? Yes, the 3 is less than 10. So then it will go ahead and come inside the loop and it will print the code, whatever is there inside the loop. It is system.debug the value of I. So what is the value of I? 3. It will go ahead and print 3. Then again, this increment part will run. So then again, this increment part will run and increment part says I plus 1. So what is the old value of I? 3. 3 plus 1, it became 4. So what is the new value of I? New value of I is 4. So again, the condition will be checked here. So again, from here, it will come to this. 4 is less than equals to 10. Yes, 4 is less than 10. Condition is met. So it will go ahead and print the value of I. It will go ahead and print 4. After that, from here, it will go back to this particular increment part. I is equals to I plus 1. So what was the old value of I? 4. 4 plus 1 now became 5 here. Sorry, now it became 5. So now, is 5 less than equals to 10? Yes, 5 is less than equals to 10. It will go ahead and come inside the loop whatever is there inside the loop, it will go ahead and execute those statements. Since there is only one statement, it will go ahead and execute this line number 3, and it will show the value of I. The new value of I is 5, so it will go ahead and print the value 5 here. Then you are doing I is equals to I plus 1. So what will be the new value of I now? 5 plus 1, the new value is 6. So the new value is 6 here. So now it will go again and it will check for the condition. Is 6 less than equals to 10? Yes, 6 is less than equals to 10. Again, what will happen is it will go ahead and print the value 6 here. Then it will go through the 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. The new value of I is 7. Is 7 less than equals to 10? Yes, 7 is less than equals to 10. It will go ahead and come inside the loop, print this statement. It will display 7. Then again, the increment part will get called. 7 plus 1. The new value of I becomes 8. Now, is 8 less than equals to 10? Yes, 8 is less than 10. So it will come inside again. It will print the value of I. New value of I is 8. Then again, this increment part will get called. 8 plus 1, it became 9. So the new value of I is 9. Is 9 less than equals to 10? Yes, 9 is less than 10. It will come inside the loop, print whatever is inside the loop, and it will go ahead and print 9 here. Again, this particular increment part will get called. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Is 10 less than equals to 10? Yes, 10 is equals to 10. So it will come inside the loop. It will go ahead and print the value 10 here. Now, the next thing is now the value of I is 10. Now it will go ahead and increment it. 10 plus 1, what is the new value? 11. The condition says I is less than equals to 10. Now what is the value of I? 11. Is 11 less than equals to 10? No, it is greater than 10. So then the condition does not remains true. Now it will go ahead and exit out the loop. So what will it print? It will print 1 to 10 on the screen. So let's go ahead and verify if that's true. So what I'm going to do here is, this is my for loop, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the execute button. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.